Mocha kanjani bathini ngisemotrend Paula Snake gang
Welcome to What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lois Stacks, Big Mia, or Big Twanino, Big Spay, and I just want to say thank you for tuning in. If you are tuned in, on my side in Pete won't be easy.
Yeah, man.
Manji easy.
I'm gonna say. Yeah, man. I'm good, man. How you doing, man?
I'm good. Welcome back. Like, it's the first episode of the new month.
Oh.
Yeah, first
of
episode
Feb.
Yeah, it's Feb. It's already Feb, dog. Yeah. And it's the month of love, dog. Yeah, boy.
Yo.
Valentine's years. I hope ke amajita ke are prepared for a kupa omabhebeza la. Even though no mabhebeza ba ready for a kupa thina la. But dog, almost every holiday mhlambi women's yabo. Even men's yabo. But game is not enough.
Yeah, yo.
Yeah.
Don't get us cancelled.
But I just want to start off on a sad note, like
Tell me, bro.
Yeah, bro. RIP to Bravo Leroy, dog. Da Bravo, Joe. I ain't this other day. I couldn't believe it, right? So.
That was spam, not dog. Because it be random. I was like, what?
Even when like the family dog released a statement under like his account, dog, I was like, I still don't believe it, dog. Like I still.
The statement about like where he's over there. And
the statement of his passing.
Oh.
But let's say on the 23rd, right, of January, about the Bravo, Sulegile, and on yo.
No, it's Rockman.
Yeah, that Bravo, Switzerland. And the day before, I'm just posted a video like a jive, dog. It was his last day, dog.
What I can tell you, dog, like real talk, no, shit, don't say that, goddamn.
Maybe he was doing
anyway,
dog.
Bro, what I can tell you, blood, I bonakali la we, bra, yabo, mostly. I say bonakala, that's when you know about yo. Oh shit, it's bad or some shit, yabo. Like when someone's really like deep in like depression, like I wasn't bonakala way for like 10 years, bro.
Dog, every time you see picture of that Bravo is smiling, dog. Even Ricky Rick now, even every time you see like they're fresh, like. But there were signs, dog. Even in the music, even in the lyrics.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't like really like I wasn't really like versed la way Bravo la. Rest in power, G.
But I'm not talking like I started.
Nah, I wasn't versed that way. So that's when I was like listening to him with that first album So I was like, wait, okay.
The only time I started believing it is after Nibone, like Devi Lango Mao Ekaya dog. Yo, Joe. Daiva dog. Couldn't sleep. Bonnie didn't have a good relationship with his mom. Cause I didn't know like if Bonnie like in the set
damn.
But yeah, dog, RIP to the Bravo, dog.
Yeah, rest in power, G.
So it's so way. How can we lower down like the rates of your suicides, dog? Because most Yabanbas Bulala see it like 80% of his suicide rates
in the world. Yeah, it's niggas. Yeah. Hey, bro.
Even talents in the way, like I would like.
This is something I'd also like to bring to, like we call it that purple debate that's going on nowadays. Yeah. But like feminists have this thing about like, oh, the world is so, bro. You niggas aren't even like, you know what I mean? Like you're here to complain. Niggas are killing themselves, bro, because of how like and because the thing is, a nigga can complain, to be honest.
Yeah.
But who the fuck's gonna listen to that nigga, bro? You know what I mean? So that's and it's a fault within ourselves also as niggas, yeah, bro. But I know that like like oh hey, both. open up to your niggas, and niggas are the same.
Yo,
sometimes, you know what I mean? But also, that's the truth. If we could fix it,
I'm one of them niggas, dog. Because I remember this other time, Kon Achos was talking about, yo, cookie, there's shit happening, Paco Mendlini. And then I went, nah, fit, so
yeah, fuck.
Achos betete about, like, yo, bone, cookies in the guy, Paco, and it was me. Felt so bad. Yeah, well, like manje amaxesha xa uthetha namajita izinto bazothetha kubanye abantu uve ngabe uzothetha ngeengxaki zakho bakuhleka yo lekaka liyana dumbe isende lakaka liyana
come on eseneliwana
yayibona la wethu
I told my best friend this
yo funny
no bro
all of a sudden nikasli kwazi unesende liwana jo. But it's not. I don't think it's like physical stuff. Sometimes it's in the mental. It's in the mind, dog. Like
those are like this one as those damage eyes more than physical wounds and shit like that. You know what I mean?
The mind,
mental shit, because you cultivate that pain every day within yourself by like putting power to it. Like you're giving power to that shit. So, well, and because you feel like you can't talk to anyone, so it's just growing.
And let me tell you something, when you actually talk to people, you'll feel good after that, because it was really cool and then advices on some other things.
Yeah, man.
Man. But
so yeah, man, people, not just niggas only, like people should talk.
People should talk, dog. But I just want to say RIP to Bravo Leroux, dog. My guys, take care of your mental health. Yeah, I wanna lie. Now everyone's dealing with shit, like everyone. You can say, dog.
Like no, like sorry. I don't know, like the asshole, but like I always sound like an asshole. So
yeah, it's your opinion, dog.
You know, like I was thinking, like you check how like niggas, when niggas are depressed, they don't talk to anyone because we feel like we can't talk to niggas and shit like that. But we can't talk to chicks. Don't necessarily have that problem unless it can be like police or some shit. Yeah, but chicks will talk to each other. And in the shade, when a chick's depressed, you know immediately. That's why it's like they can't kill themselves necessarily. They do, but like it's not at a higher rate. Yeah, because at the same time, she's always crying at school. We see you, because it's like, and it's not on disrespect. I'm not disrespecting. I'm not saying like the female struggle is like easy or anything. I'm just saying these are like facts that are out there. These are facts, bro.
I didn't get people. If you're sick, dog, you don't want to kill yourself, dog.
Niggas don't be cutting. Just jump off a bridge, gang.
Jump off your fun, jump off.
Nah, bro. No.
But yeah, dog. Now let's not. Have you noticed, like, if you like search on Google,
disrespectful.
Like when you search on Google how to commit suicide, I'm telling you, so about nothing. They just send you to like a suicide note. Even though like we have like questions.
Hey, bro, that's assisted suicide. Like, giving you ideas and like that's assisted suicide.
Because there was a time, dog, I was thinking of suicide, but I didn't want it to be like a
Google can tell you how to hide a body. That's crazy.
I went to YouTube, dog. YouTube will tell you everything. YouTube will tell you.
YouTube's a hoe, bro.
And then I found out about cyanide, dog. I'm like, yo, bro, I gotta get this cyanide.
If you have an apple farm, you have a lot of cyanide.
Whoa. If an
apple seeds, sorry, bro. Like I don't know why I know this even, but you can search it up. Apple seeds.
I think I heard. Like,
apple seeds. Every single apple seed has like a little bit of cyanide. You have an apple farm, my boy. You're a hitman, bro.
Yeah. But I must continue. Like on one of the latest news, did you hear did you see like rates of your pregnancy in South Africa, and then the rates of your births? So like they came out of like stats where like every province, like one of the like number one province, then no, but you like all the provinces are like rates of pregnancy, no birth rates, and then like South Africa, like Eastern Cape was the most shocking one.
What's highest?
It had the most pregnancy rates.
The lowest birth.
Less than 40, like less than 50%, dog.
So what do you think that means? Like, is that like abortions, strictly abortions,
sure.
or other like medical issues?
It
and
can
shit
be,
like that?
dog. First of all, like, I would say maybe like these new medical issues because a man's way to wrong, contaminated. Yeah.
Yo,
dog, la video, like I News Africa, dog. If you check News Africa, the phone, like I don't want to even drink like a man's a day.
The scary thing is people like I think in the video he also did filtered water. Like
the filtered water was fine, dog, on that video.
It was a little dirty too. It was a little dirty too, bro. Bezel, check. If you remember, actually, the guy had that machine thing, right? That had two things, and there were two glasses.
Yeah.
Okay, now think about it. Are you saying both of those glasses were tap water? Why would he have two glasses?
And there was lots of it was different cities.
Oh, okay, yeah. But he also did filter.
He did the filtered water, but the filtered water was fine, at the end. But even though like it won't be fully fine, dog, but
it was
it's
better.
It's better than like shit. Like yo, dog,
shit was green.
Shit was green, dog. Like yes. So like I feel like as a man's way to sell alcohol.
Remember when you used to go to a tower when we were kids and like the water would be like
like chlorine, dog, like
swimming pool. That's how you know the water's dirty because they flush it with all these chemicals. So because those are the chemicals that make the water clear. Yeah, they just make it clear. Because we like
even the land Joe, like the man's way a swimming pool. The chlorine it's just to clean the water. Like
blue
52,
my boy.
Blue 52 poison. Dog. But yeah, I feel like when I was back to the pregnancy rate, I think like the reason why birth rates is because of I think it's the water and then jwala. Because then they lose their babies. Stillborns. Like I think the answer everywhere then, but he has almost Eastern Cape. Like he has one from Eastern Cape. Another thing is abortions, dog.
Yeah, I was also gonna say abortions, bro. Because those those were like just medical issues, standard medical issues. Nobody can really change them.
Abortions, Joe.
Abortions, blood. Like, and I'm not talking about like people that get raped. I'm talking about people that have consensual like sex and then abort. It's not. I'm not. Hey, bro. I'm not saying.
But yeah.
I'm not picking a side. I'm just saying it's there.
It's there, dog. But what's your take on abortion, dog?
Hey, bro. Dog, as men, we
don't have a right.
You can't like really. Well, but real talk, dog. I believe if you are a consenting adult, both of you, you guys had sex knowingly, consentingly, and I believe the dude has a right to
tell you,
bro, because that's his DNA, my boy.
But I feel like the way yenzwa ne for like yenzwa nzima lo ndithetha it because of amajita anabantwana already. Like cooking dead beats as names of like have you soloko ufuna ukukhalazwa ngamajita angabhataliyo ilendo support abafuna iningi abantwana babo. So I feel like namanye amachera okwayikezawiqime man ndithembi man lekaka lena lawe soft tech mhlawumbe izoba ikaka yomntu yawo ishiye nomntana mhlawumbe yayimchitela already abantwana balena bazithandayo ikaka nemthanda but unenza isirhama lawe. So I feel like ngenye into lawe abortion.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
because nyani for the majita out there like easy jonga baba ngathetha majita lawe
definitely.
Yeah, bayenza kaka lawe. But did you hear about like the new name change for East London, dog? Kugombo funny. Egombo funny. Egombo sure. Yeah, like otherwise cousin like Nekabeka at first, bone.
It was weird,
It was weird, like
Hey,
But-
Gombo got that. I don't think
Yeah.
it's gonna land. Hey? I don't know. Hey, yo, look.
Do you think like it's gonna land, dog? It's a land of a combo, Joe.
East London already has a Xhosa name, bro.
Emondi,
Emondi, blood.
Even not
That's why
Mila.
I'm saying it's not gonna land. Gombo.
A combo.
Okay, so I'm sorry. I don't know.
A combo,
Maybe in
combo. But if it's like Nyani,
Combo.
why?
Yeah.
Why did they stick with Nyani Emondi?
Emondi.
Fundin.
A beautiful name.
Yo, Joe, not a pie fundin.
But it's still the English name.
It's
So
the-
take it to see it. It's the Bay.
It's the bay.
Salumbata.
Yo, fundin.
Yeah.
But I really didn't know like Ipai was the bay.
Yeah, the Bay, bro.
I didn't
A lot
know the
of
name means
Xhosa,
that. I
bro.
didn't know the name means bay because
But Mangati is Xhosa. It's
Yeah,
Xhosa.
yeah.
It's Xhosa. It's different. Tina bantu balapha like the commercialized
Yeah.
Xhosa, yeah, bro.
it's
Let
commercialized.
me say, we're the
Joe.
commercialized Xhosa, yeah, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, kodwa simnandi isikhosa sethu ajo. Yeah. I won't lie.
Funny yeKapa.
Funini.
Thini lo mnu funny. Angazobhala.
Bani?
Yo.
Spears the podcast.
Tori.
guy.
Hey, fethu. Yeah, bro. Yeah, damn, bro. Why you talk like a shooter, man?
Inamdwela nivule nje kanti
Yeah.
doyika sho. But yazi like besilanga nono. Epai like
Gombo.
has
Gombo.
combo.
Nah, blood. It's not
Go
gonna
to a
land,
combo,
bro.
combo,
Emondi, nah.
But do you think like when as a viewer do you think it's gonna land like
I don't think it's gonna land, blood.
it's gonna land that Joe.
It has to, but
But yeah, before that I want to talk
so
about
like if it lands, that means nobody's gonna use Emondi anymore. That's now what I'm saying is I don't believe that's gonna die out. Man, you check it
Bela
there.
Chong Mundis will never die out. Jongopai will never die out. Yeah, bo. Kabeha like na umuntu sathi usepai mosab. Yeah, bo. Even
Yeah,
though
I mean-
Kabeha, right?
Yeah.
Everyone's still saying sepai, but ke Kabeha ngathi abantu have fallen in love with Kabeha and so yembula.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
For me, like I feel like abantu have fallen in
No,
love.
man. The
with
thing is, it was called that originally. Yeah, change your by.
Kabeha fan bi laphi bi warmer.
Yeah.
Linda hospital go warmer
So
location.
that's why Ilendi because this was the first location here, bro.
Yeah,
bro. That's why Ilendi yeah, sure. I love it.
But
Combo.
na ikombo ngekudala funa I feel like
Yeah, sure, of course. Yeah, party.
something in the history about like there's a
Say name your own, it has to be something.
kugombo Joe.
What combo for you?
But utong kugombo la.
Ku.
Yeah. Bantu kudala bethanga lewe Joe, but let me just search. Let me just fuck it.
Bro, good combo.
Kugombo funny. Kaloku Joe, I don't know what it means, but Gail will put it like we'll search it, but Imondi will always stay Imondi Joe. Nepai will always stay by funny.
Combo.
Kugombo.
Combo. Combo. Ngena kulena. Nah, never mind. Sorry.
Kugombo, just say Kugombo.
Never mind, bro. But then that is a huge coincidence,
Yeah.
bro.
Kugombo.
Combo.
Eastern Cape Kugombo City and Sobukwe Town approved. Yeah. It means a cave rock. Anyway, yeah.
Cove Rock. Yeah,
But
it's
yeah,
Xhosa.
back to Indonesia Kabeha dog, like. Kugombo funding. Otherwise, Man United has won, dog. Prof Man United.
Yeah, menu.
But yeah, before we talk about like the main topic of today, dog, you know what the main topic is, dog. You know, it's that American shit that we always do, dog. So in the past few weeks, dog, like trend, like is like banana base SA, dog.
Yeah.
Hey, funny
Yeah.
African casting guy, Joe.
Yeah, funding.
Like Tarek Tetwa, Aliwi Jayam. Talikona lagaga fanini.
If you know the right website.
If you know the right website, you know that African casting guide, dog.
Yeah, man.
Don't need,
What you talking about, bro? Nah, shit, that shit was real.
Yeah, dog. Like, cause kutala namdi bona lagaga fan kung amos naman ba paitay ba chayiwe and yabonakala ba yaba bona abazenza zwela we bafuna imali qha. So
abona chiroom
yo
olakala
abonakala naye comfortable but yaye
chiroom ndulena yeah boy suck dick awkwardly shit.
Oh like does amacha jo
chiroom ndule. Nah, no disrespect. I don't know what.
But I
but I don't even know those videos. I mean,
dog like abantu becinga soyibona sive. And
it's like
boom when it blow up yo.
Bathatha noma nakubomuzi nemali kazirisha bo sobona ngathi uyenzela yena
nalawe
soyithatha ndiyisipha.
Oh ne. Oh
I'm straight. I'm sorry. But like it's crazy because why? Sis, you got paid.
Yeah.
You consented. Everything is on fucking footage.
Like
it's like it's not
and
even.
She's still playing victim.
You know. First, she was like, "Why is everybody judging me?" Yeah, sure, almost. No, she owned that shit first. Then when she saw about, yeah, man,
Fun social media.
Wait a minute, something right. And then she saw about, nah, man. Then she started being victim. No, bro, everything on camera. You was there. You seen everything, bro.
You sucked his dick. Yeah, pull my dick up in my pin.
You want to be a model, yes? You want to be model, yes? Oh my god. You want? Okay. Oh, what do you school? Yes.
Any clear like I'm gonna fuck you right
okay,
now.
so we're gonna have sex.
Then you're gonna get this job.
Yeah.
But yeah, I must collab like Lamnana worry Lamnana would like I can nigga 10,000.
Bro, niggas are dying, bro. We have almost doing statistics of suicide.
And then she saw by yo is guys zenza na meme because it's Lamnana as Lena. It's a concept to see Lamnan. A picture of her, because I see, and then the picture of her. A dropping yaki dog.
Wait, which word?
African casting guy.
Who?
A bitch.
No, who? Where does she work?
No, I don't know where she work, but one say like it's so like it's nothing besides. But yeah, collab.
Nah, bro. Real talk. It's like. Like in Fetucho, bro. A lot of girls, yo, dog. I'm just saying, hey, bro. Look at la Sasa scandals. Was it last year? Yeah, about all those influencer chicks, sending other girls to get kidnapped in fucking Russia and shit like that. As well as we.
Do you believe that?
Yeah. But it was happening, bro. Sam Bougie had to make apologies and shit like that, bro.
How's he known? Let me tell you about that way.
Oh, look, okay.
Yeah, but
whether it's true or not,
yeah.
Who were the targets?
The ladies, the girls.
Are you born with a pandemic? Nothing going to take a what are the facts?
They're over, no, but
they like them to jail for me. Because in nothing going to be more wrong. What on 31st now? Okay. Nah, bro.
Okay, yeah, okay. But take the opinion about Lamnana.
Who? Nah, bro. My opinion was it's not even like straight up. It's the like my opinion is based on the facts that are like presented, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. My opinion is based on the facts that are presented, bro. The facts are she was there, footage, consent, everything, paid her money. after that, why now? Yeah, turn in charge. I don't know what I did. Yeah. A while later, oh no, he tricked. Wait a minute. What about when we were? Hey.
Even a little way for to HPV, right? So when people like chicks choose dudes of doing HPV, and then it's proven by the story just die down. Nothing happens to the chick. Nothing like.
There should be like there should be repercussions. Because like the thing is, like in a lot of cases, the nigga, even though innocent, can still be proven guilty. You know what I mean? I don't know how, but it happens more times than it doesn't happen. You know what I mean? So it's like, so they just like you straight up lied to the court. If I did that, I'd go to jail.
I feel like Jonga Mela.
Nah, bro.
The only way that abantu like who commit like a GBV or SA, like and the R, right?
Yeah.
I think the only way abantu banga convict like easily, you know, so like they will get brought to justice. Like it's because it's a lot of chicks would stop falsely accusing men of the way. Because right now
real culprits could get caught.
Yeah, because right now sometimes no judge can't just make a decision by hey nyani mhlambi awuyenzanga lento even though uyenzile, because you're thinking about this chick can be lying too. Yeah,
bruv.
Hey, so
it's counterproductive for real.
Nyani though, because you're thinking about hey that's the story salomjita ne, that's the story salosister, but andifunu ebone man ke ngicela nilawe yebo na ilomjita ubeka story sakhe mhlawumbe umjita angaze yaxoka for look at Thabo Bester as a liar dog mhlawumbe yeah, so like and fun bonke fun utsotsi like those guys from like utsotsi even in like criminals dog, like
criminal masterminds, like the big
masterminds is like dog. So I feel like if chicks would stop falsely choosing niggas, or if you are rape, SA, HBV, I feel like banga believe like more amateur consider apozo matoda abo, and then that's the police station that way bakhaleza bayibethe lewe yabo.
You see, that is a fucking good one, that bro. You're right, bro. And
then indo awutyola nomjita once akubethe kayi1 shiya lo mjita jo yabo. I feel like nyani if mshiye first time jo, because enye into efethe encedela amajita aqhubekeke nalewe because nyawayeka nina nenze nix umjita yakhaba apha and then still ubuyelane nayo.
Hey bro, like real talk, you have to like there are situations, there are different situations. Zininzi ezo but there are other situations whereby the woman can't leave, you know what I mean?
But because there are situations where they can do something. But
look at the Cassie and Diddy situation, bro.
There are
circumstances where women cannot leave, blood, can't breathe, can't do nothing. Imagine, bro. Yeah, sure. Imagine all the niggas. Yeah, sure. All these niggas that are doing GBV and getting quotes. Bro, imagine all the rich niggas that are doing this shit and never getting caught. Cause they never getting caught for real, bro. Imagine the judge that's doing that to his wife. Cause you telling me, come on, bro. Come on, bro. The world is big. You know what I mean?
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Lois Stacks, Big Neil, Big Guanino, Big Speo. I just want to say welcome to another episode of Emo Training all the time. On my side, the Pete Namaz man lika like Tesubala Palae Pete Uta Lika Liquor. And on my side over here, and Pete Hotman Lai Ukama Lai, nickname Am Lai, Uta Lloyd, but gave Ambiza Mabanango Pro, found because he is found by the gods up there, right?
On the contrary, though, I'm not found by God. I was found by the demons, man.
Whoa, what you trying to say?
Man, nigga, I came from hell, man.
Yo, that's what you mean? Exactly, you said that like was things bad for you, and then like when it was found, like yo, I knew you found yourself. Let's say,
yo, my nigga. Let me just greet everybody at home, and I wanna appreciate you inviting me to your show, my nigga.
Thanks for
yeah. I'm in a hot seat.
You sure?
I feel like I should be dropping some 16s right here.
Yeah. Drop some 16, like.
Yeah, you tag.
Look
you can't just yeah.
So okay.
Makubuyele ke topic information ngisicela
So rap.
Profound when I'm it was just a name that came on to me after Nenda's born about because he really about Jonga Litsalinzi my lot. Like you know song up life you go through hell. Yeah, song my G no bunayo imali no bunayo imali with parents or you don't have parents with school or you don't have school. You go through hell. Yeah.
So that's where the Profound came. It's like a rap name, like not a rap name, but like it's something very deep.
It is because Galok Kobilen, as an artist, you are actually portraying a persona. So the persona that I am as a rapper, it is a pro that was found. So again, my G, and for get
But before like singing a Profound, like to the people out there who don't know you, can you just give them a little intro about like Umbani and where like you come from? Lika nasibe mazi but abangamazi bazopina so menza nje intro la
abangamazi bazopina. Dropping tomorrow, my G.
Dropa namhlanje la
Okay, yeah, so ngimfela sabamanga zozibini nakuwe yabo.
Yeah.
So igama ndingolonwabo elipheleleyo. Lonwabo nokhushu. Kodwa ke ekhuleni ndayenda bayiGrootman. Yabo ndaba imimbela yakwamthathi.
Sure.
Of which ke yona is second name katatama.
Okay.
So abantu abandaziyo abaninzi bandazi ngomthathi.
Okay.
Ngumthakathaka ndilizotsho.
Sure. Denqala because of like phana ezantsi phana ngasepakeni lawe like nezalana naphana so if like kanokhusho la now I get you. Now I get
so kukulomama ke kwela cala.
I see.
So I was born here up in Lokishini and the artist ke ngokuyona except for Umchita was not mainly Umchita who was a rapper. Abantu abaninzi bandazi through the screening. TV and on stage boys and girls from since high school abandazi ke from way
that's composer as an actors like that's a high school even there's this other actor so woman high what's that act and then what's that drama show yo chonga ngikhumbula la yeta semncane la xesha sanana be area nah that's late otherwise back to you Dalika la otherwise grand road la
always still alive my guy
that's good because the last time you like had the most views like but kafika master marvelous afika no liba dethrone so uzothatha ithrone yakho back ta
ususile
ususile da but you had a long run done
back to business
City it's because it's on the screen. How did this screen thing come about? Like when did it all start? Like actor must die drama. How did that come about? Like
to be quite honest with you, quite grade 7. Bawusamkhumbulo ukutshara school.
Angafundi aba but bendiva ngomuntu wasedrama season kodwa bavile asoma yodaloid manje vile haba la
so kumjita wasinike assignment hlobo loba like ushaya ngokwenza ntoni xa ukhulile kuzibone mase assignments khona into nje for the scale lena sobhalela nje yabo andifuna ukuthi ngokuthi I did some introspection but back in the day I knew into yabo ndifuna ba entertainer yabo and to check in uncomfortable with ngela xesha ngodansa khula it was being on set being on stage the act I knew I had an artist in me, but I didn't know back at that time, but izaba artist eyenza ntoni eza portray kanjani yabo up until 2008 2008 wafika uNambobovu no-SABC eKomahaya kwavula auditions kwathi wafuna sifuna umuntu njena lapho yabo so besicela lezo audition ndihamba ke ngono ngimntana oyehlala lapha e-area kulo tape Tom Tsitsitsi.
Tsitsi Damas?
Yeah. So safika lo Tsitsitsi sabethi into yethu ku auditions and then we got the call back. Kathi masibuye sifumene role. Yabo.
Benibetha nge-2.
So sanikwa mhlambi mandithi umzekelo sasinikwa nje monologue some sort of a script esifutshane kuthiwa nizabetha ezi lines noba yi-2 nizi-act and then we'll see uba nizi-act kanjani just to portray the character abayifunayo yabo sayibetha le way asaphumele yafumana sabetha le way saphumele yafumana so from then sashuta sayigqiba liyana and it was a success. I got like 1 nomination zange ndiwine but nomination still counts. Yabo so safumana 1 nomination and that was that yabo and kwakusokoleka mosikudala kwizinto zoba ufuna uact kuselokishini apha machit
yabo like there's not a lot of opportunities
yafumana so ndafumana ke ngokithuba kwakukhona enye group lapha eBhucwa kuthiwa ngisakhuthaza and awutastipa ba umfundisi uPuleroy
sure
yabo Puleroy is the guy eyangenza manje be motivated kakhulu yabo ndifuna uba se staging yabo noNdlovukazi uJennifer if you know uNdlovukazi she's an artist ngokuntswimbu yabo she's been an artist but ngokuyacula
awusethu
nguNdlovukazi yeah so ngabo kabantu abandikrumileyo when it comes to kwizinto zoba ndibe actor and everything else so from then on okuyahamba ke
and then you stick to being like an artist until you became like a rapper
so ndayenza ke ngokulonto le high school ndafumana opportunities of actor and then that joiner poetry session namachita apho ke ngoku that's how my nigga don't play my nigga uyazi ke mina ngandilingane lona and my G
you're nice with the words
that's bona pha abantu ngiyakwazi ubhala yabo and mind you ngela xesha nandichila ne boys to men my nigga my nigga nanoniyo Chris Brown don't play sasihlohla ngela xesha boy so ke I would say into yoba mandikwazi uba kulomuntu ninguye ngondo kwazi rap ndizibona abantu yakwazi udibanisa amagama ne flow ne rhythm ndazibona pha kulawi yabo
that's lit and then go to the last question before singing like when was your first like studio session or making my first song like Big Kobana studio how did that go about like
okay so leyo yaqala sendiphumile high school yabo my first session was Mr. Roo No Fizzy yabo NO4 ndiya NO4 ndihamba no Dumisa uSmokey no my brother uYonel yabo Dayos so the first time we went there sasizixelele basiyobetha yabo didn't write shit ndiyazi basina beat and ngalamini we were just going to figure it out ngalamini basizafika senze ntoni yabo so we sat in the studio we set up Taru is a very good producer Untswimbu Taru bra hloboloba good director yabo so safika pha wamela le beat and then was advisor ke ngoba singayimanipulate kanjani singa attempt kanjani kwa beat and then sabetha ke ngo the first song yabo yaphumelela Ntswembu yone my G
man benginayijona like bengenza research on Dumsani la
Smoke
that's Smoke la bona bana like ne visualizer no That's lit.
I think Promises, ne?
Yeah,
I think Promises or something like
broken promises.
Broken promises.
Yeah.
That's lit. Thank you, the profile. Last time Tali Kabilapa Nambuza, like how many battles have you won and how many battles have you lost? And then can't pin. But the last year, zonke battles bekuyo lesibulala esigaka. Wenze inoni like yeah, sure. Aqala wacisha SAM yo. Then wacisha khona le video benibukele manje lamajita. Creative control.
Yeah.
Napha then bekhulena ke ngoku se one room. Napha qobe yenzeke loni la alishekile ibeast. So how's been like the battle rap lately? Because before we get into Nagli event and then Call of Duty, like how's the battlefield been? Like,
hey my guy, it's been nice, man.
Yeah,
it's been nice. Now we are born.
It's been nice to you.
I've been doing me, like yeah. But if like you follow me, you would notice, but I started like picking up after my last school got bored.
I see.
Yeah, because I was getting too comfortable.
Yeah.
You know, to a point, but so come man, I would prepare during the last week. Easy peasy, but arrogant. So until the boy said that when I was like, okay. Ever since I don't play. Taught me a valuable lesson.
I bought a rematch go on the next Call of Duty like Safunanji.
He's been talking and diving.
I was very up. I got bored. Very up.
Anytime, any day.
Yeah. So like late last year, we had the Call of Duty battle raps. For my side, be success because they were latified. They like. How was the planning of Nawi and how did you feel about the progress? Like the progress, battle raps? Because maybe it didn't pan. It was fine.
To be honest, even the success, you know,
yeah,
a huge success. If you remember, even Sibega one, but at like two pro around 3 there was like few people. Shit, this is not gonna happen. But boom, within a space of 10 minutes, the place was packed. I started at 4, 3 hours later. Started at 4, and even be success, shame.
Yeah.
After like 10 minutes, was PT.
And it was a total success to a point about before a second one. I've been trying to organize, but kunzima bra. No, the thing is the challenges I'm kind of facing Goku Z2 basically.
Yeah.
Number one is to secure a venue. Yeah, a venue. Because we are just back, we calculate as kind of all. If venues are limited, it's limited to a point. Once we couple now, then you are limiting by audience.
Yeah.
On the venue.
That's true.
On the day. So, getting challenge a scenario. ASB the challenges now is getting an artist
artist is for no battle rap
to battle we artist to battle
but like that's fine or maybe artists like the artists want to be on the show.
Artists is available.
I see.
Like it's an easy hip hop artist Eastern Cape, but battle rappers is limited.
I get you. And I was calling some battle rappers, like you know this corner, but I wouldn't say like Coco's names. Like can count to Taslo today I say battle rapper, but he's a battle rapper now. Like
Now don't say he wasn't Slaughter Ikele naye a lot bra like from a grade 10
Story sakhe wafika usibeka
Kubone yeah kwase Brakpan Slaughter has been with the dogs yes as for exaro pana for Machita yo
I respect that dude because he can think on his feet like
Slaughter abantu pana So like on the next battle rap, like okay, let's say Zenzika, like who would you want to see with who? Like with D-Max, siyamfaka na vir. Mhlawumbe uzofightha nabanye with D-Max. Kanye makaresign
D-Max. No, the thing is, man. Likhona there's do you know about Call of Duty 2 actually yonke into beseyigqityiwe
much.
Even kwa lineup we were supposed to do like event in November last year. The posters base ready everything. Yabo. Venue ya pull out on the last minute. Kenya yino escostela yole because I don't know why I'm allowed to share this, but on that card it was gonna be 3 barrels.
Sure.
Yabo. Kuba Slaughter no option bengekho available. Now I had option available. Option against Osiso.
Yeah, born again.
After Osiso killed D-Max. With D-Max, I had them against I don't know whether you've seen my barrels. The Koni Ketia said Tinaka. Ektuangu Kabala similar Gola command. Was just Tista.
How is that similar to Lloyd's Tex?
No, last time.
How's this similar to Lloyd's Tex?
Tista Steaks.
Feeling.
But yeah, you kept that I did barrel with.
Yeah.
And funny enough, la barrel MC was the late Junior King.
Sure.
He was the MC.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had him.
When I'm losing bani da.
Kukole keto ko talent for na show young. He was gonna like travel all the way from a Portal friend. Chito tongo crazy G. Crazy G. Got talent for na show.
That nigga's crazy. Funa from the Portal friend.
He's Tembile cat.
Cause like Ayama Barrel was supposed to happen through creative control. Because I didn't know like it. But through creative control, but like event got cancelled. Whatever is on technicalities, it got cancelled. Umjida went out of his way. What can you conduct him? But
Funa.
He went out of his way.
Oh, you my nigga.
Artist. Jungle, I'm ever read. So yeah, the issues man still anazo particular nyaka. We trying but nakanjani. Funeke yenzekile.
Yeah.
Hopefully before Easter. Hopefully before Easter.
Yeah, and I believe like when I was doing research now when that profound like you took Kuleka to a first studio session
Yeah.
How did that happen? How you fighting that? Like how do you know each other like, before they are like where did you meet?
You can tell the story.
Okay, no. So story sam not Banamkalika, it's simple. Shaboloba. Umnina Nolika used to go to school together. Yeah, so Lika used to come through, fike pagom didlala hip hop, fike didlala umculo, music videos. Yeah, ass bouncer left, right, and center. All the niggas know. Hip hop, it's going down. Yeah, boy. So Lika again, we spent a lot of time together. I'm not sure, boy, and even before they decide about okay, I'm gonna approach Mike and start rapping.
Yeah,
Lika was there.
So much.
Yeah, bo. Lika was there. One bona ndi Palingo Miami Kala, and I got to see him write his first song. Yeah, bo. And I was impressed because Nangze Magamna gave a Lika ako interested way. All to find out Tumchita on a music book.
Undercover.
everything.
My nigga pulls through my house to pet him joke lyrics. I'm like, this nigga. Yo! Yabo yabe sisithi yotaman. Masiyeni man dikufuna kwi verse, dine verse up and hook. I think indim nawe nabanik. I can't really remember indiazi indim na.
I said so because I remember I fucked up your hook when Yanzele better hook.
Yeah.
Fucked up the hook and then
Which is understandable because it might get clear on my G.
Yes, the beats you tough nigga. Jump on the beat, I dare tape, like
Yeah. I kick.
You, but it's a high five, and Tumba, Aspa, Tumba, you, Abuya, Lumina, my care, Latin Numbani, and the mess. After that, it was history.
Hey, Kawakutali Balapinji.
If I didn't do that, I didn't do that. And then today, it's Friday today, is it 30th? It's like a January.
Friday, I think Thursday.
Nah, so
Oh yeah. Hey, John, Friday,
what? Friday is the proper.
Yeah.
A track.
Actually today.
It's out now on Spotify, iTunes. Can you tell us can you tell us about Gabriel and like how did it come about?
Good Dallas and I had a discussion with a pro for
Sure.
a while, like we should do a project, like a mixtape.
So it's a project, but I single
Yeah, man.
Hey.
We cooking right here.
A long-term goal, Elena. I don't say you want to go for anything. A long-term goal, man. Of which good Dallas plana under carpet. So now sees the Sebandwini taste. But okay. So yeah, we're dropping a single to let abantu bayazi but this is what we're doing, and ingoma it's Lika M and O Profound.
Sure.
Siyenza so to a title yayo ngo On a Mission.
Sure.
Because le ndlela sikuyo ngosijongileyo sinaro like be on a mission.
Yeah.
Hopefully light at the end of the tunnel so I born. Like we on a mission in a vision yayo. Lengela sifuni yamba basically, yeah.
Who's on the hook?
It's him.
It's
him.
on the hook.
On the hook, but that's what even I'm gonna listen to it after like I was only some of that, but I'm gonna stream it.
Yeah. Uzaxomelingi mosikaso ikopile mosilingi zoro.
Pre-order link.
Pre-order.
People can pre-order it. Iphuma ngomso automatically ingena ke playlist zakho.
Sure.
Yeah.
On a mission,
Well, today proof is playlist.
So,
Today.
as you say, like, how did it come about? Like, Nina Tibana, like, yo, man, we gotta do something. Like, you know, my own itself, like,
Chomam, to be honest now, we are just now, pro. Woman, they think I'm not combayo out there.
Yeah.
And then, the producers are too many beats.
Yeah.
And then I was chilling, Pakomo, meditate, I guess always.
Sure.
And then I was listening to the beat. Yeah. And the husband is yantata inside elsewhere to a point that we mamela langoma.
Yeah.
From Gehook, it's more like a struggle to maintain the platform with basically feeding a family at the same time. Because if you have noticed, if in Guagumo I've been off the scene in Tolwyn for already. So I think the last song I did was like 2 years ago with Mel.
Yeah.
The Song in Love.
Yeah.
The song I did for Valentine's. That was 2 years ago. So throughout the past 2 years, I was thinking of like the struggles I'm to consider balance life.
Yeah.
Call it art form it at the same time. I izisemali ngoku. Kufanele uyokhomba ispan. To make sure ifamily endlini elalidlile yonke lanto. Yebo. So to me that's what inspired the song, and then the Ayago Pro, the concept in the blog. I got the mistake on the project esiqala. Nanzindo wasiyepha.
Good, like now to say like the same sentiment by yo. Now I'm like business cause nyani like ndanibona tana spana. Now you start doing like hustlisha like yonke la.
So to me, bruh, Ulika, let me just throw a picture. Ulika has always been the guy. He always pulled through for Lewisi and Zai.
Sure.
Like from way before I graduated high school.
Sure.
Funny, can you believe about Ulika would organize a gig for teen as you perform NMU? Yeah, but we having nazo before this year. Like every year, Siakupa. But Nabagas is releasing we work. Sense umculo. We've got sinengomez needs, number 4, 5, or 6. So Ulika has always been that guy Mr. Ndishaya ngokwenza into ethile ngehlobo. And yandazi ke mina Ulika, I don't hold back. If une idea andiboni enye reason yoba mayingaphumeleli idea yakho. So coming to this track now, there's same jiving.
Yebo.
Yebo sixolele ke ngolike noba singabanayo incoko about ezinye izinto, but when it comes to craft, when it comes to umculo, noba siwuthetha phi, noba uqhawukeke kangakanani, if we say community kanye we have this to work on, sizayenza lewe, rest assured. Yebo. Lena ithethayo bangosine track single ngoku. Le single I think ingoma ye 4 kanye ye 3 kwezingoma bese zenzile kulonyaka kuphelileyo ne. Yeah, siqale last year's ngos projects unansi kos preparation. Yebo. So when he came with Umission, my G, ngifuna uzivele man. Ngifuna uzivele my G.
No, depend bono taslika la engathi slime manje kancane la yebo. Hey, kwenzeka noni ta engathi bone nawe like how can I say like yes slime man le sound njala kumesho ngawutalika yonke. Awusonga lika nimve pabutyani la we like ngomnye la kwenzeka noni.
Enjoy am. Because the thing is Vetro, you can't stay
Clearly one
like amaxesha ehamba, people evolve, styles evolve. But I know most abantu are into trap a lot.
It's true.
And I'm trying to mix being commercial with a message. I'm giving you as a style, as a trap, okay,
but at the same time,
and vibe with
message.
it, but at the same time, Nancy the message.
Sure.
That's why you vibe and come the message.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm trying to balance the two, the both worlds.
Wait, yomna ndarosa tala ansakwazi betha okla ansakwazi rap la yonke nini se studio la. But before like bona was music la before start the show man before no rap la stop any verse ta ni thafakile la full space le track la sifuna uyiva nathi ta kanye unayo le track apha la. But I must say faga after like.
Yeah, we can do it afterwards. We can do it after.
So again, it's really guy.
Hey,
yeah, must say fagia.
Yeah.
But again, it's really guys, Larry. Today, Mission Man. You're not Mission Man, like on a mission is out. Yeah, but what you have to do right now is get on your Spotify, iTunes, and then KM and Profound.
Yeah. Just off the topic. Just off the topic. Yeah, bo. Like as much itamos. Yeah, bo. Ehlobo ndichongalo mna ukudala sikhupha ukudala sisebenza yabo. We could have been like easily demotivated basiqomoke into esifunayo ngoku sispan yabo so we should commit to that sisebenze siye ku isixesha siye kodlala but we're still here yabo of which tell ukuthi khona lesi motivator esenzayo masiphinde sibuye sizotica senze yonke lento siyenzayo phezulu kwemic. Now the question I want to ask is to you. No, like honestly bro, honestly when I'm like I've been watching your work yabo dibone sometimes but hey niggas ingathi ngizifuna throw it away ngoku amajita ngatafuna unyathela ngoku ipodcast afuna uyicima but wava amajita ba no ayakhuthaza ba now jo suyeka lewe inswembu lewe this is one of a kind into esingenayo because that we are willing to ba masipush ibheke phambili thina ke asithethi kakhulu mhlawumbe ke socials but ndifuna uyazi ba indoni motivation ekwenze wena waqonda okay jonga yabo ngoku ndilapha I see a lot of shit yabo there's lights there's yabo setup yakhe grand thethi ukuthi khona motivation. You get what I mean? Yabo, you get what I mean? Tell ukuthi umzimba uye wavuseleleka umjita waqona okay man push. So what is it for you?
Bona mina Grootman yabona the reason why benenza lewe because eqaleni dala ngifuna uyenza bo but I didn't know banzoqala njani yabo. Qomenze iqala njalo lewe naye my K1 man. I need to most yaspana so qoma man mhlawumbe ngalo pocket money qoma nditheli equipment manje i-mics eziyi2 extra senzele wena amajita yabo so at first I was like so veske ndiyenze lewenza ibona ba izophelela laphi yamo and then as niyenza I didn't care about the views I didn't care about abantu bathini yabo until I reached a stage qoma man kudala niyenza lewe but andinda bona like I bona there's no progress yabo so when I started looking for man this progress nami yabona lawe that's when uqoma okay ngoku yabo kukhona lanto baye kodwa kuyenzeka inix yabona ngamanye amaxesha xa ucela bawufuna into ngaski yenzeke lewe endingayenzeki sometimes you do get demotivated but ngamanye amaxesha ufuna ukuzikhumbuze ba why lanto buyenza the reason why you started it first so nasoloko ndabuya qoma man eqaleni zanisithi nzove niyenze lewe and then izobonakalela bantini so I always go back to lawe ba man you know what lewe benizixalela I don't care about the views I don't care about abantu bathini I'm going to do it and one day it's going to pick up ne but sometimes ngokuthi ayibona ba man god I can't funeka upgrade man sound into endimoshayo kakhulu sound ne visuals eqaleni yabo but ngoku I visuals I save imali I'm okay me get some visuals sure so like my maxesha xa ndibona ba ya kodwa ndiyaleno it's not going the way I want go back to the drawing board show ba manje ndone short eye no ndone short eye ubona short nje kulungiseka sound ndiyacela la bakulungisekele way soba grand yabo so that's what I always tell myself that's why sizendiyeke mina ndicela hlambe bakulungisekele way kuzoba grand izame la way naye bayilunga ngijonge enye ba mhlawumbe balungisele we kuzoba grand ndiza mina lawe nangoku shota nje ne1 kulungiseke nje isound yami abandi grand once ke ufumana isound yami ngokai so kuba demotivated because I do get demotivated
nah Lloyd bro like push wena yazi wena mfethu inendiyene notice emachitini yabona phela okushina na Lloyd yabo kudala masikudla phela okushina yabo and siyabona bayile ba kulula ukusukuncame and just choose one path uqombo za focus kulewe iqhayo ngenyuno fuck it yabona but akhona amajita phela okushina awanayo i-resilience yabo lawe yongachafi sometimes ayifumani kwi-background ba upusha ngubani ngasenza but sometimes uye uyibethelele ngoba timing uqonde bafundi ifunda ncama mina ngibana zana
yabona lawe
yabo so inqabile wena mfethu into yoba kubeka abantu abanjengathi amuzazibeka phakathi lawe because fethu se resilient
yabo usayibetha nawo
bro sisela abantu singabona namhlanje wena mthanami yabo sisavuka sisahamba ngenyawo sisaqualities but kudala sapusha
yabo
but sizixelele basisiphezulu kwaliwi
senalando idlwana and the reason why I started this is sekhona engqonweni ba yo ndifuna rapper for whatever. So I'm gonna keep on rapping. Even though I'm but I'm just I think AI more. So I'm gonna get my beats from AI. Beats like
if I answer when it comes to we the royalties and stuff, windows of many beats with AI, because most possible say beating original. Yeah, who penalize what I knew this.
Now kuko suno so yes beat yako.
Basically, you're funding the creation yako. So you're the producer.
But at the same time, like AI now has touches, from all over,
Sure.
So I feel like also so AI wako AI finally producer. So trying to put together now of money share and then go share keep distributor because the sources I for go in information. That's why is in AI companies the final. That's why it's final because the products as really back to the founders. Just like calling AI, I don't know but they saying and then they didn't give those people the credit and they got fined like 15 billion.
But go away in what I find in the beat. Cause you're the one who's telling the app how to compose the beat, which instrument to use, which snare to use.
Yeah, look, and
you understand about the distribution. I feel like everything should belong to you.
But awuzoyifumana yonke awuzoyibona noba uyifumana awuzoyibona ingxaki kaloku tana AI ne but somehow
the thing is AI is like I feel like AI is like FL Studios.
Okay.
Yeah, Apple and the software zonke elements so kwenza beats are there is drums and all ngowe umntu manually ozenzayo now ngoku you are telling a robot mama yikwenze but uya instructor
but
that's still you.
But at the same time iyakwazi ufaka samples engomeni and then odlala ngaphathi copyright ningicwini ngam like iyakwazi ufaka sample yabo like samples ne ungene sample mhlawumbe uthenga sample uyifake out there and then to copyright
kusamplisha woko that's different.
AI yakwana yasamplisha AI ngicela ngifuna into ibenjani then ke akunike ioption ezi4 then uyithandayo wena uzovaya nayo and then ngokwena xa ifaka bana lana leyana somehow yayifumana icash yakhe yena but ke ye kwezinawo kwesources ayithatha kuyo imali
but i-risk umli really nayo because you
whatever and I believe in it I think I have to change it. I think imali akingena kuwe ayingena kuwe yonke
manje risk ngehlobo loba wena like I know chances are slim njengoba mawuthethe nenza ithethe ku AI right but zikhona chances zokuba uthi mhlawumbe ku AI ngifuna i-beat echopwe ngehlobo nehlobo right mhlawumbe nawe uthethe the same thing so what if uthethe iningi ithethileyo ku AI and then i-beats zethu ziphume zisimilar
ibona la
yanfeel.
But I feel like ikhona like system yabo man njenge-barcodes i-barcodes azifani
research about man they should know man
inosetshenziswe
I don't trust this thing
they should know
mina ngizasebenza no-landlord I don't give a shit at least mandiyazi imali yami yakulandlord yebo
I think that ngokungayenza imali mna man mandileni man mandiyenze ngo-AI
so ngoko K-Beats abalambisa
malezi ngamanye amaxesha
sengisho like umaXhosa beyilwela impahla zisithenga kweshini ngoku and stuff yena uyibranda lapha eSouth Africa
but he's insane bro like i-prices zakhe uzijongile lamjika i-target market yo maniga yes yeah but
kodwa ngumshaye kuthi
iskipa se-20k
iskipa 1000 maji
socks
11k
look Jota nindithetha like andinobalamisa K-Beats now ingxaki amanye amaxesha like mna i-beat ndayifila lapha kum ndayithenga nebheni imali na but ke kukho i-beats most beats mhlawumbe ndaziva qime yabo kodwa lena soze ndikwazi uyibhatala isidinga lawe yho inengxaki ezininzi kaloku yabo nabantwana mnebhatala school fees yabona uba yeyi kwesayika enye into ke ilaa mali uba ayinenzeli nemali nomculo
la yokwangoku so manje maxesha ukucinga kayithuba mo invest kakhulu yanga invest 300 on a beat and 250
reasonable for kule ndawo
yabona la but sometimes is beats zenziwa lamajitani is feeling na for lena ndifuna uyenza yabo even umculo wami utshintshile if when you hear my next song azoba i-rap azoba i-reggae
what
sacula mandala socula into
Creative.
well izoba i-rap but gets
these are
different to what I used to do.
I got a lot.
And in the Asmos, so
what do you mean, bro?
Probably hook like it, like the video. That's my song right there. So fresh, but can the Rosile man, like so in the band like who was the producer of the
King Coley.
Oh,
King Beats.
It's true.
The man.
It's true.
Shout out to K Beats.
And who produced the song? Like who Bano engineer?
It's the same nigga.
Engineer nguye but ke
producer
beat yona ayinguye kumjita waseJoburg kuthiwa ngu-DNA.
And the thing is, because now remember like that thing beat from a Kenji TMZ. Yeah, Kenji, and then when I try to post that shit, I had to copyright. And I tell like a year back, suddenly release maybe like a year after. I'm going to wear and sending deleting a message and I'm masters. Never buy, but like some timber or like
Nah, there's a contract and stuff, obvious.
Oh yeah.
Legally repent.
Hey, business away there.
From the way the paperwork has to be in order.
Nah, that's late.
Now, what happens now? You sign before you get on stage.
For real? Sign a number like I'm to bet like NDA or something like that.
Yeah, disclaimer of nigga.
You sign that you agree to the terms and conditions.
Oh.
Salary.
About 2K home to Pana, Mama, I was on bed.
Yeah, awuzoyiphazamisa enye opponent obusenza izinto ezingakho necessary kwalexesha lomyonji.
To abantu abangazaziyo as well, like have you always been like that when it comes to like umculo lento yenzayo like you have to nazenza split shits or something like that kanye like Samro and other shit.
Yeah. Bendisanomdatsha ngoku profile last week when I was busy with the admin zangoma. Actually, I need details zakho so I can upload. Yes, but I'm fully utrainer hapa song hits.
Uchambela zoske abantu bayatraina like no royalties like I want to kwenza kanona studio like cause hey man once a studio ngicanga yenza umculo qala
nabo pholisa ngoba bayaziveza ku spreadsheets after yonke drama you man was something so eto kanimelo
nah it's
set real
so
no something so eto benga athi guys ngifuna 50% mina ala ngoma la but like back to the AI like Nina Dan are you in with this AI or not?
Chamam if you AI man Chamam I feel like it's like abando babe create umculo manually until bafike softwares.
It's true.
Babe like but jonga ngoku softwares have taken over. Napane evolution, time goes.
And I'm saying the AI
It's instead of being left behind when I see it's even set to your own advantage.
I see.
Yeah. Imagine when you was create beats when I was much better kunomuntu ongakwazi because wazi izinto omnyangazaziyo ba which tempo don't zonke ezanto
because if we not so wasn't the beat already like there's way ngoyicofa bese la xokwazi uyithetha amane fona lebi alewi
but mina wethu kwela micala wena mloyi yini feeling like ne ku AI akukho limits ihlobo loba if ngokufuna i-vocals zomuntu on a track you don't need to go and search for whom to come and jump on the song. You can actually search chaze AI bandifuna ivocations nje of which ke mina ke andisite nayo kakhulu ke but because abanye abantu bafuna ucula because they want to express themselves.
See.
So yeah, it's not as much not gatekeep city as imfunu AI, but we also need to protect the artists. And feel.
But it can help the artists because the mama Bonner as in artist can only sing, but they can't write. They don't have like sometimes but now idea you can make it easier for an artist. It was the AI man can get and then you now utifonian vocalist kabetele man.
Yeah.
And the melody lapha already lyrics nazo lapha already kafaka soul girl because I don't think AI in the soul now because even along nje ka Raya Khopane ngisuka but ke lam sis ucula uthi shuka
Yeah.
So like I feel like that's the new wave masisebenze before
but you time the number one
yeah shuka
number one Spotify AI song.
So they try AI.
Yes, and how much is the AI bra ane capabilities to tank bots to buy views. Yeah, but so it's not fair when it comes to competing for the bread, bro. Yeah, well, because we don't even know who's listening and how they are listening to it.
Same thing record labels used to do.
Ziyayenza nethenga bots.
Yeah.
Buy numbers.
But nyani la xabone numbers kwinto nje qamayo nami ndakwazi nami ku YouTube sorry guys even though nezami views ngakhona anibona video less than like 100 views alibukeli la let's say we search for into get that like let's say how to do something on YouTube ne then ubone video na 100 and ubone video na 1000 views you are most likely to watch like 1000 views. Yeah,
true.
Yeah, for now also bukele video bana ba ubetwe umheka kanjani usingifika na 22 na 22
can't trust.
So like I think Louise Pilar I think AI is the future like but I can't wait to listen to the song and I'm on a mission.
We are
on a mission.
We are
Song, all of us, bro.
Otherwise, so what's in the future for Natalie Kalawi? Like, what can you expect from you besides in the mixtape? Like, how's life? How are you? When are you gonna get married? Like, you know, what go Facebook? Like, so yeah, sure. And now the boss are good.
Holiness am I?
Yeah,
Holiness am I?
Can you call us on the low? Like,
say, there's no one, bro, in my life. I combed.
I'm a one man.
One man. One man. Distractions, man. So.
Hey, like focus on the spot.
Like place 4 years away.
Always,
man.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
The streets. Yeah. My G, I'm not for the streets, man.
Chatil.
Nah.
And I'm
close.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I'm a small little boy.
Chatil now.
And Chatil like
bro, we're hesitating. You're like
Chatil is no Amazon yeah. So post I've been gonna post lately.
They're gonna born.
Yeah, but been 50 lila
hey, lo mfaza kwa multiplayer.
Right. You think about crazy man.
Bo,
like wena.
Hey.
We artist con artist.
So on the mission, make sure you click on the link, you share it, ne? And he has me to talk about Poti.
But I want to talk about law, like back to the relationship. Like, thank you, and I used to be alive then. I posted pictures, but I used to post things about Macheram, and then whatever happens, even a band,
yo, so what you?
And some driving try Cheraki, I mean, oh, so imagine even a banya band, Louis. Yeah, and go that's
not belong to
I answer.
I Louis. They born a screenshot, you na Pama. I mean, no, upset, no can't yola. I see any bad man, she on the low, man. I wanna lie. So,
but ke izobonakalela abantu bayibona stratweni mna like but inshare yona ayinayo picture ku social media so asikayibambi nawe like there's no pictures of
yabona aba yana bancane ke aba because awuna pressure yini yoba funeka uyomposta okanye funeke hey my brother kunzima phandla apha yakholula ezimthita na
yo
it's tough for out here
but that's really tough for majita but mna ndavuya like does nibambe grand la nam ndavuya ndi grand na nani grand as na ngona does la yabo. And I just want to say thank you for pulling up to Emotraining all the time. Bakhona abantu don't want to come to the way because bathi siyachaya sasela, but I just want to say siyekile negile phofu sela apha negluchaya. I want a clean image. The phone of these abantu bazo bring a meaning, but mostly artists. I want to give a platform to like key artists. Ngiyabona like nabantu basawoma abanendo a positive to give out there. Yabona because khona any artist la you like ngicela qhumbe you man Lloyd abaluza apho kuwe ne but ke ngiyasela ngincela and I'm working with big brands that don't want so and I unfriend ayanye nakake la then create me understand but you know I come bazon support and I'm not support man let me fuck yeah bro. But thank you man Lawi for coming to the show Rotmani. Is there anything that you wanted to add?
Not really, just expect more music. More music and when a pro.
More music, and I also want to say big ups to Woma High School, big ups to the teachers. I mean, because to need more people like graduates as the Woma High School guys. Like, big ups to everyone, and big ups to my girlfriend. Shout out to my kids. I gotta give them shout out, my brother, because this is a platform as Abugelong. So I am praying and hoping for the best for Wayne Lloyd. Upumbiz.
He had an injury, so I was a mover like up and mobile, but unfortunately like a bit up now. Poor Mashem. Must have a good time here too.
Sure.
But border like late man.
We can about after recently late.
That nigga's always late. Nothing about late.
I look like my fan but late otherwise most of the time like start the session. Even on Sundays you shoot on like a podcast like but talking about like summer high ne umnani funda esikoleni samabholo yabo and afunda esikoleni samabholo automatically bacima uzobayile bamkhulu uzobalawe. But now when I used to go to Masifundi by Woma High, I used to see abantu clever, this person is smarter than me. Even I was in Kabelo Skoleni, I didn't do well nakhabe intomo esikoleni guys. But the abantu basoma it's not about like ufunda emabholeni kanye emaXhoseni yonke into it's the same thing naxa nibhala phi test nizobhala ne1 bawubhala physical science exam paper nizobhala the same thing. So I just want to say like inspire Sheila Bandu, you don't have to go to white schools dog. Woma High is the best even those are ndafuna phana but clever kakazaphana la and graduate. I think Woma High is like graduate abantu baninzi Woma High naphezulu abantu besofuna
when you graduate.
But like shout out to the matriculants, like shout out to matriculants, like love you. But one thing the merch in Jalawi, it's not this one, but I've got new merch coming out. Follow me on Eat Life Studios on Instagram, Eat Life Network on Instagram, where we do the podcast.
Follow, subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
Follow, and even on YouTube. I'm gonna be dropping some merch soon, and in Swim, cool. I need to skip by 200.
How about we just exchange? ifikele ityani for a motoring studio.
Okay, we can do that, like we can do that. I valid but we're not out of 10.
That's true.
Man,
I've negotiated my deal.
I didn't say shit about my airtime. It's Coca-Cola.
Okay, I know stress. So smart keep aside,
Yeah.
but I'm training all the time, like.
Peace out.